Good morning, friends. This is your host Sunil Kakani back with a video on our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for 23rd November 2020. And thank you very much for all your feedbacks, for all your likes, and all your comments with regard to our previous videos, and most importantly, our investment idea on MGL. Well, MGL has done remarkably well. We initiated a buy on 15th of November and on 20th of November, that is within 5 trading days, the stock has given a return of 10%. We initiated a buy at 860 and the last closing, the previous high on Friday was 939 rupees, which is almost 10% of return in just 5 days time. Whereas our view was that MGL would give a return of 10 to 15% in a month's time. However, with the grace of God, this pick has done remarkably well and we achieved our target. Now, as you all guys are waiting for our two investment ideas, we thought that we'll give a name to these investment ideas that we are sharing on this channel. And the name that we have suggested by our team, and after a lot of brainstorming, we will give this name as magic picks because these picks work magically. So stay tuned on this channel, and one request from our side before I start this video, please do hit like button, subscribe to this channel, and keep sharing these videos to lot of people, lot of audiences, so that people are benefited from our Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, and also the retail public are benefited from the magic picks that we give. So with this, let us begin our video. So firstly, as we always do, let us see what happened on Friday and what we suggested on the Friday for our view for Friday. So on Friday, the closing for Nifty was 12,859, which was around 87 points above the previous close. And the closing for Bank Nifty was at around 29,236, which was around 333 points above its previous close. Our view for Friday was that both the indices will trade with a positive bias. Whereas on Thursday evening, the XGX Nifty, the Dow futures, and all the foreign indices were showing a negative opening. But we maintain our positive bias and a positive view. And yes, Nifty after opening low recovered completely and closed in green. So what's our view for Monday? Now, before I give my levels, that is support resistance level, I also got few queries from my friends, from various other subscribers, that they are confused at what level they should initiate a buy position or sell position. So we will give two levels in this video along with the target and the support. We will give the levels from where we can initiate a buy position or a sell position in Nifty, and also for Bank Nifty. So let's begin with Nifty. So for Nifty, what we propose is the previous close was 12,859. Now, if Nifty trades about 12,875, please note these numbers, note these levels, that if Nifty trades about 12,875, the first target for Nifty will be 12,950 and the second target for Nifty will be around 13,000. Now, so we can initiate a buy position if Nifty trades above 12,875 and sustains above this level for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Similarly, if Nifty start trading below 12,850 and sustains below this level for 10 to 15 minutes, we can initiate a sell position with a target of 12,775 and 12,700. So these are the levels for Nifty. Similarly, in the case of Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty closing is at around 29,236. So if on Monday, Bank Nifty trades about 29,300 for 10 to 15 minutes, we can initiate a buy position with a target of 29,700 and the second target of 30,000. Similarly, if Bank Nifty trades below 29,175 for 10 to 15 minutes, so we can initiate a sell position and with a target of 28,700 and 28,500. So these are the levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty for Monday. Now, our view for Monday on Nifty and Bank Nifty is that it would be a slightly consolidating to negative kind of a trading on Monday for Nifty and Bank Nifty. While larger trend remains positive, but yes, there is a lot of run up in last month of November, in the month of November for both the indices. So there are chances that both the indices go into a consolidation mode and might trade a bit on a negative side as because after so much of run, there has to be some kind of a retracement for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So we see that the sell side position would trigger on both the Nifty and Bank Nifty on Monday. This is the view for Monday. So let's see how Nifty trades, how both the indices trades on Monday. Now coming to our two investment picks that we promised to share on this channel on today. Now, as I mentioned, that this investment picks, will name it as magic picks, and you have seen what magic MGL have done in past. Similarly, our view on both these scripts is that they will give a return of 15 to 20% in days to come, and the time horizon is around 1 to 2 months. You can say 2 months from now. But you have seen, with the grace of God, we always overachieved our target. So the two picks that we would like to share, the first one is Mahindra and Mahindra. Now the reason for sharing, picking up Mahindra and Mahindra is that it has given a big breakout from a strong resistance point of 670 in last week. Now presently it is trading at around 716, and which is its near 52-week high, which is around 728. We expect that this stock will move above its 52-week high and get into an uncharted territory and may go about 10 to 15% from the current levels. So Mahindra and Mahindra is our first pick. Again, you can invest in Mahindra and Mahindra with a time horizon of 1 to 2 months. The second stock pick, or the magic pick as we say on this channel, is Exide Industries. Now if you see, Exide Industries in last week has moved above its 200-day exponential moving average, which was around 165 rupees, and we expect that this stock will now start its run. If you see its peers, Amar Raja Batteries, there are only two battery manufacturing companies which are listed. One is Amar Raja and another is Exide. Amar Raja has reached its high levels, all-time high levels, and so we expect Exide to pick up. So our target on Exide is around 15 to 20% with a time frame of 1 to 2 months. So please do take advice from your financial advisor and invest in these picks, as market are subject to market risk. Investment in markets are subject to market risk. But as I mentioned that yes, MGL has done magic. These two picks will definitely do its magic in days to come and provide you a good return. So take your call accordingly, do your study and invest into this pick. With this, I end my current video with a request that yes, please do share this video to the larger public, as many as groups you can do. You are part of many groups, to your friends, to your relatives, and help me make this family bigger and bigger and more stronger. And in return, we'll provide you investment ideas which will give you handsome returns in days to come. Thank you very much. Namaskar.